come into the showroom, old showroom. Now I'm starting to call this the finishing room, but we'll see. And part of our Civivi order came in. So notice I say part of, somehow one box got an entire week ahead of the other 3 boxes coming from we and Civivi. So some old friends will be back and some new friends. Like the brand new knife just released. This is the Storm Howl, something like that. So we got that in 4 variations. The Conspirator we've had just in different variations than we've had them before. I went through Civivi's site and like if there's a wood handled option, I got it. So we have a bunch of wood handle options now. We are also playing with some of their fixed blade stuff, right? This Teton Tickler is probably the one I was the most suspicious about, but then you put it in the hand, I was like, man, that is a lovely knife. The fixed blade Elementum, little larger, so it's based on the button lock Elementum, little bit big, and then of course the mini Elementum. That's just that's a nail cleaner right there. And then other new knives. We've gotten asked about this one a lot. I can make my hands work. This is the Vision. It's their first one with this. It's like the Demco Shark Lock. I don't know what Civivi calls it. I will be looking that up because we've never had this knife in stock before. So like I said, some new stuff, some new variations of stuff. So this is the Brazen we've had for, on and off again, with a cool black twill micarta, and that green. I mean, some of this core stuff is just super cool. So anyway, we will get more into these knives in the future. But really, for us today, stay warm. If you don't have to go outside, don't go outside. We'll be here tomorrow, be here the rest of the week, and just stay warm and have some cool family time that no one thought we were to have.